Testing one, two, three. In case of nuclear holocaust, the stock market will continue, except in Russia. So let's have a look at some of the stocks and how they're doing at the moment. Well, that's the S&P 500 daily. Continues falling, as I've been banging on about for ages anyway. That's the weekly version of it. And if you want to hear me banging on historically about the S&P falling for a few weeks now, have a look at my Telegram channel. Anyway, that's likely to continue lower. There's the MACD, which is a measure of momentum. And given the angle of declination and the speed at which it's falling, that should continue for the foreseeable future. And so I will hold off on deploying my capital for another week. NASDAQ daily, similar kind of story. NASDAQ weekly, a very similar kind of story, albeit we're only back to where we were last year with the NASDAQ. So we've not lost lots on that. Is it time to buy the dip? Not yet. I'm still watching. FTSE 100, not so much a sort of a counter example, I'm afraid. We're back to where we were in 2020. Time machine. That's the weekly. Is it likely to fall further? Well, it's been uncorrelated to some degree to the other markets for much of last year. But it looks like that correlation is back again. Dow falling and likely to continue, I'm afraid. But then again, you've had so much good news in world affairs recently. I thought a bit of bringing you back down to earth might help. How much further could it drop? Well, normally I look at 2 standard deviations below the longer term average, which would mean that this has still got at least another 10%, at least, if not 20% to drop. But I'll put more of those figures on elsewhere. If you want to follow me on Telegram or any of my social media, or stalk me in real life, just go to campaignfor1million.com and you'll get lots of free information there, including where I live. No, sorry, how you can download my books completely for free. Thank you very much. Enjoy what's left of your life.